Hi, my name is Frank Dixon. I'm a project manager here at Total Roofing and Construction. I've been in the roofing industry for the last 5 years and have been with Total Roofing and Construction for 3 months now. A day in the life of a project manager at Total Roofing and Construction can be a lot of things. You could be starting off a job site, whether you're tearing off a roof, installing new siding, or a deck. Or you could be picking up materials, or at another future job site doing an estimate. My favorite part about working at TRC is the work family that it comes with. Something I'm very excited about being at TRC is that the sky's the limit here. We are not limited to any job or any location. We can take care of all of our customers in every different way. A work achievement that I personally am proud of is that every customer has a different story and a different need. I am able to go in, help them diagnose the issues they have, and come up with a great solution with results that they are very happy with. Outside of work, I love being with my family, my beautiful wife, Rebecca, and my 2 boys, Coleman and Rogan. They are the joy of my life. I love getting to go home and just play outside with them, fishing, hiking, camping, anything outdoors. We love to do that. So something unique about me that most people don't really know is my first name is really James, and I prefer to go by my middle name, Frank. Total Roofing and Construction has been in business for the last 40 years, since 1985. I cannot recommend them highly enough, with all of their highly rated Google reviews and all of the customers that are so happy and calling in every week thanking us for all the hard work we do for their home.